Hey guys, I am SGT aka Lucky and I'm here with another lecture of grade 10 science balancing equations where I'm going to discuss the three most important questions and for our level it is kind of hard. So I'm going to discuss them and try to explain you in the easiest way possible how to solve them. So let's start. First, if you have seen the lecture I posted on YouTube and Instagram of how to solve a simple equation which I gave by the algebraic way, then these equations might be easier for you. So I suggest that you should watch that reel before coming to the video. So now here for the question 1, we can see that copper with nitric acid is reacting to form copper with NO3 twice plus NO plus H2O. Okay, so now what will we do first? We will write down all the elements. So copper and then hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Then we will this is a variable A, B, C, D, E, which are representing the numbers which are multiplying into these elements. So A will be multiplying C, B will be multiplying nitric acid, C is multiplying this, and D is multiplying this, E is multiplying water. After writing it down for copper, we can see that A is multiplying it equals to, we can see C is multiplying it. After that for hydrogen, we can see B is multiplying it with E. Now here H2 is being multiplied by E, then H is being multiplied by 2E, so equals to 2E. Nitrogen is being multiplied by B here, equals to here 2N is being multiplied by C, so N is being multiplied by 2C. We have one more N, so plus D. For oxygen we have 3B, and then here 6C plus D plus E. Now after we frame these, what will we do? We will assume A as 1, so then C will be 1. So let's assume A equals to 1, then C equals to 1, and then E here will be B by 2. Why? Because if 2 here goes, and then this will be this. So E we take it as B by 2. Okay, when we do this, we can see that this equation will be then B equals to 2 into 1 plus D, and this equation will be E is B by 2, so 3B plus 6 into 1 3B equals to 6 plus D plus E is B by 2. So B by 2 coming transposing here, B by 2 comes here, it will be 5 by 2 B equals to 6 plus D. If we subtract this and this equation, then we'll get 3 by 2 B is equals to 4, and D is cancelled. Remember, equation 1 minus equation 2, 1 minus 2. Then we will get B as 8 by 3. So what B equals to 8 by 3. 2 goes, 3 goes, 2 into 4 by 3. If B is 8 by 3, then B equals to 2 plus D. So D will be 4 by 3. D will, 8 by 3 equals to 2 plus D. 8 by 3 minus 2, 2 by 3. My bad. And then E will be B by 2, which is 4 by 3. Now we know that these variables should always be natural numbers. So what will we do? Multiply 3 to all these. Why? To make these into natural numbers. Now if we multiply B with 3, then all have to be multiplied with 3 because to make the equation balanced. So we multiply 3 to each and every one of these. So the final will get A equals to 3, B equals to 8, C is 3, D is 2 and E is 4. This is the first question and one of the important questions. Next we have to discuss C4H10 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. This is butane gas. Under presence of oxygen, it is burning to form CO2 plus H2O. So now we are going to erase. I hope you take notes of these because this is very important. Now let's think about the second question. C4H10 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Now here we see that it is not balanced because C4C. So to balance it, we are going to do the algebraic way. What to do? First, list out all the elements. There are only 3 elements. Now C4 here we are going to multiply A, B, C and D. And thank God there is no E because it will be more complicated if it was 5. Now here we also notice one thing. We can notice that here C4H10 is being oxidized, right, because oxygen is joining. So we have to think in this way, so that we have to be broad-minded and think what is this reaction for practicing. Now C is multiplied by 4A. Any more C's? No. Equals to 2C. Yeah. Now we can see 2A and 1C. Then we have hydrogen, which is being multiplied by 10A is equals to 2D. 10A equals to 2D. Now here 5A equals to D. Then oxygen 2B is equals to 2B. Oxygen here and here 2C plus D. After we form this equation, let me write it clearly. 2A equals to C, 5A equals to D, and here, okay, it's written in properly way. Now if we assume A is 1, C will be 2 into 1. Next, if C is 1, if A is 1, then D is going to be 5, and if D is 5, C is 2, then 2 into 2 4 plus 5 9, B is 9 by 2. We got B as 9 by 2 because A is 1, so C equals to 2. Let me write here, then C equals to 2. Next, A is 1, 5 into 1, D is 5. Here 2B equals to 2C, 2C is 4 plus D is 5. For oxygen, 2B is equals to 2C plus D. We saw that C is 2 and D is 5. So C into 2 4 plus 5 9 by 2. Now to simplify this, we'll just multiply with 2. So we have to therefore multiply with everything. So finally we got A is 2, B is 9, C is 4, D is 10. This was the second equation which we managed to balance. So we'll get 2 butane gas, I feel like, I think so it's butane gas, 2 into butane gas plus 9 oxygen will form 4 CO2 plus 10 H2O. Now take notes of these quick. and then we are going to solve the last and final equation. This one is done. Now the final equation same, we are going to give A, B, C, D. After we give the names A, B, C, D, we are going to see aluminium is present, sulfur is present, oxygen is present, calcium is present, hydrogen is present. This is going to be a big question. Yeah. Now aluminium is being multiplied by 2A plus any other aluminium, no, gives 3C, C, yep. Sulfur multiplied by 3 sulfur, so 3A equals to 1 sulfur, D. Next, oxygen of 412, O12, A, and here we have another oxygen, so plus 2B is equals to 3C plus 4D. Next, calcium we have 1B equals to D. This is easy. So calcium is already balanced. See, yes. Next, hydrogen we can see 2B. 2B is equals to hydrogen 3C. Now here we can assume B is 1, so that D will automatically become 1, and it will be more easier for us. So if, let's assume B equals to 1, then D equals to 1. If D is 1, A is 1 by 3, and if A is 1 by 3, 2 by 3 equals to 3C, 2 by 3 equals to 3C, C come, let me write here, 2 by 3 equals to 3C, 3 comes here, 1 by 3 because 2 by 9 equals C. So C is, I got 2 by 9. Now if I multiply 3 only, then this will be still remaining as 2 by 3. So what if I multiply by 9? If I multiply by 9, then this will also be, our natural number. So into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. So finally we will get A equals to, A is equals to 9 by 3, 3, B equals to 3, 9, then C is equals to 2, and D equals to 9. So therefore we have balanced this equation also, check mark. And these are the top 3 equations which are hard for our 10th grade level. If you have managed to solve these equations, then why worry for the exams, because we have mastered balancing equations. Now if you understood it, please like the video, subscribe, follow for more. I am SGT aka Lucky. This is my YouTube channel Lucky Hub. So please subscribe. Thank you.